All right, picking back up. I think this is video 10, still in the Metu netter. We're going to talk about cosmology, Cosmology, and cosmogony, Cosmogony. Cosmology and cosmogony. All right, two different things. Cosmology is the origin, evolution, and fate of the universe. That's what this is studying. The origin, evolution, fate of the universe. Another definition is any model concerning the origin of the universe. Now, cosmology is the blueprint of cosmogony. Cosmogony is the blueprint to purpose. Okay? Cosmology is the study of cosmogony. Okay, cosmogony, again, is the origin, evolution, and fate of the universe. Cosmology is the study, cosmology is the study of cosmogony. Cosmogony is the origin, evolution of large structures and the fate of the universe. That's what cosmogony is, all right? And cosmogony is the blueprint that actually exists to guide the steps of life. All right, that's, again, I'm not stating this as a fact, I'm stating it as it's written in the book. Cosmology is the study of cosmogony. Cosmogony is any model concerning the origin of the universe and the fate of the universe. Okay, and I'm going to speed up faster than I have been going. I'm getting a better understanding as reading ahead, so I'm a little more confident in how I'm going to go through this information. The antonym of the cosmos, which is cosmogony, cosmology, the beginning of the universe, the study of being, all right? The opposite of the cosmo, which is the order of everything, the blueprint of everything, the opposite is chaos. And the Metu netter says that to study order, you must study disorder first. To understand order, or cosmogony, you must understand chaos. There are two realms of being: unformed and formed. Okay? You have the subjective realm and you have the objective realm. The subjective realm is where we come from, the oneness with God, the essence of our being. There is no division between us and God. There is no division between energy. We are one plane. That's one realm. That's where we come from. That's where we go back to. That's where we're born. That's why we don't die. There is another realm that we pass through and die in, which is the objective realm. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Objects exist there. Everything is complete oneness in the subjective realm. There is one subject. There are many objects, and that is the objective realm. So we got the two realms, okay? The synonym for the world is the objective realm. So when we're talking about our known reality in the left brain, that's objective. Our right brain, subjective. All right? The subjective realm is where we are alive. We are conscious of our consciousness. The objective realm is where we live. There's a difference between being alive and living. Okay? Alive is oneness, independent of experience. There is no experience within one. There's no interaction within one. It is just one. The subjective realm is oneness, which is the right brain, where everything just functions perfectly. Heartbeat, lungs breathing, cells dividing, food processing, blood recycling, blood cycling. The objective realm, where we are alive, is independence. Objects separated, experiencing one another through difference, through objectives, goals, interaction. You can't interact as one. So the oneness had to become conscious of a need for interaction, and therefore had to divide for interaction. But the oneness, through the division, the transformation from the subjective realm to the objective realm, from the right brain to the left brain, from the heaven to the earth, the quality doesn't change. We are all the universe. That oneness in the subjective realm, we are the universe talking to itself. The universe is alive. A dead thing cannot support living things. Remember, go back to the beginning. We're talking about logic. Everything here connects all of the true realities that we function with, not just spirit, not just math, not just science, not just philosophy, not just logic. All of them. This is logical. That when something goes from one area to another area, it is still the same thing. That area is alive if it came from something living, even if the living thing divided. Perfect example. You have billions of cells, cells, in your body. Just like there are billions of people on the earth. Each cell reproduces, it eats, it has wastes, it grows, it dies, more cells come behind it, it does everything it's supposed to do, just like a person does. So just like there are billions of people on the earth, and there's billions of cells in your body, all of these billions of cells are part of a oneness, which is the animal in which your spirit self, your reality, is within. You are not the animal. You're not the flesh. This stays here. You are from what came from the subjective realm. This is in the objective realm. The two meet up for a short time, and then you go back to the subjective realm. There is a process as to how this comes about. It is the tree of life. Now, the tree of life deals with different levels or rings, but we're going to, we're definitely not going to have enough time to hit that. But what we're going to talk about next is the cosmogenesis of the objective realm. We're going to talk about the phenomenal plane. We're going to talk about the Great Divine Trinity, the phenomenal plane, and the step-by-step manifestation of subjective being. And that's where we're going to get into the tree of life.